Hey, it's Martin here, and I'm going to be going through all 12 tape models on the Generation Loss MKii by Bliss Audio. I was reading the manual, and it states different instruments or sound sources will sound dramatically different from model to model. Except when I went onto YouTube to look for those dramatic sound differences, to actually hear them, all I found was examples with electric guitar or really abstract sounds from Eurorack synths, where I have no idea what's really being caused by what. So for this video, I'll be using quite familiar sounds like a piano, acoustic guitar, a drum kit, and a drum machine. Everybody knows how that kind of stuff sounds, so you'll be able to tell what the Generation Loss is actually doing. Anyway, on with the models. I just want to hear the dry signal. Quite a lot. Let's go through the models. Very dark. Wow, these are quite extreme settings, but I love how it's moving things around like crazy. Anyway, on with the next sound. Another thing I should just quickly note is that it's a mono signal in and a stereo signal out. And I'm using the spread function as well as the MISO function, mono in, stereo out. All right, rolling on acoustic guitar. Let's go all the way to the start again. Bypassed. An acoustic guitar. I have a hard time hearing the difference between the last 12th, the 11th, and the 12th model. Mainly it seems to be doing more in the stereo field. Anyway, bypassed again. Crazy stuff. Hey, it's Editing Martin here. I realize it's kind of frustrating that you can't tell which model I've turned to in the video, but honestly, I can't tell either. I think it would be much better if the actual model knob was sort of indented so you knew positively which step you're on. But yeah, it isn't, so you just have to listen for it, I guess. Am I the only one that think that's kind of a design flaw? And here is a drum machine beat, dry. Doing a lot in the stereo field there. Heavily cut there. It seems to respond quite heavily to filtering. Anyway, dry and effect. Anyway, thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next one.